La 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 la, dreaming my life away. Looking for me. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. This over here, what would I do without you?
I don't know.
The lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello.
Bonjour, Gakina. Welcome back to the show.
And today, what should be our Ojibwe word of the day?
I don't know.
I don't know. You know what I do know?
What?
I gotta lose some weight.
What? You're
I'm getting
fine.
fat.
No, you're not.
I went to the doctor the other day,
Yeah.
and I said, "Doctor, I'm feeling fat." And he goes, "Well, open up and say oink." That's when I knew. Nah, I'm not feeling fat. But are you feeling fat? Have you been snacking too much? Are you a little gukush? A little pig? Are you fat? This is the story of gukush. This is the story of Niswe, Gukushents, the three little pigs.
Oh,
And we'll just make that the Ojibwe. What do you think, sweetie?
yeah. Why not?
Gukush, pig. So back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a big bad wolf, Moingan. He was this bad guy. And he went up to a house of straw. And he knocks on the door there. And he goes, Gukushents, little pig, let me in. Bindigata, Ni Bindigata, let me in. Ni Bindigata. Duh. And the little pig, little Gukush says, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. And Moingan, he says, oh, then I'll huff and I'll puff. And I'll blow that house right in. So he huffed and he puffed. But, I know it's made out of straws, and that's just plastic. But
Get out of
it's
here.
a house. He's not going to blow down a house. So nothing happens. And he walks on. And he goes to another house. This one is made of sticks. So still kind of a crappy house, but, now it's sticks.
Uh-huh.
So it's kind of like, something you'd see in the woods. And he knocks on the door there. And he goes, Kukush, ni bindigenda, let me in. And Kukush says, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. Because what do you think, I'm stupid? And maybe a pig. Maybe I eat too much. I'm not stupid. I'm not going to open my door for a big bad wolf.
Oh,
And so Moingan, he goes, well, then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew, but nothing happened. It's a house. Come on. If the house is made out of a birthday candle, then yeah, maybe that would be a good thing to do. So nothing happens. And he moves on. Well, now he comes to the third pig. And he goes up there, and this time it's a brick house. This is actually a nice house. And he rings the doorbell. Bing bong. And, the pig comes to the door. He opens the door. Yes, can I help you? And Moingan, the wolf, says, little pig, ni bindigenda, let me in. And the pig goes, well, you know what? Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. And the wolf goes, well then, if you're going to be that way, I'm going to huff and I'm going to puff. I'm going to blow this house right in. And the pig goes, what do you mean by that? Huff and you'll puff. And is that a threat? You're going to, is this like terrorism?
Yeah, huh?
And my England goes, you know what? I don't know why I'm doing this. You know, in so many of these stories, I've been pigeonholed. I've been stereotyped. I've been racially profiled.
Yeah, huh?
What, just because I'm a wolf makes me bad? I know. Okay, yeah. Maybe I killed somebody's grandma and put on her clothes. Granted, I'm not perfect. Who is?
Oh, jeez.
But to just stereotype me as the big bad wolf, it ain't right. And with that, he turned and he walked away. And as the years went by, the three little pigs reflected on their time with the big so-called bad wolf. And they often wondered what happened to him and why he would want to destroy their homes. Was he protesting something?
Oh,
okay, I'm not going to get into it. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm not a BOOZHOO. This is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin!
Gigawabamin. Minowa.
Minowa!
Oh, what?
Oh, what?
How was that?
Ah, that's pretty good. Na 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 na. Do 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 tonight. I wanna give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. And tonight, I'm gonna lay it at your feet. 'Cause girl, I was made for you. And girl, you were made for me. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. I can't get enough of you, baby. Can you get enough of me tonight? I wanna see it in your eyes. Feel the magic. There's something that drives me wild. And tonight, we're gonna make it all come true. 'Cause girl, you were made for me. And girl, I was made for you. Nah. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. I can't get enough of you, baby. Can you get enough of me? Oh, oh. I can't get enough. Oh, oh. I can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, oh, oh. I can't get enough. na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I was made to love you.
Oh, what? All right. I was made for loving you. And to close out the show, I don't know, what do you think? Kind of already did the Kiss tune for the day. Should we do another Prince tune? I always screw this up, but here's a song by Prince.
Last June when her old man ran away, she couldn't stop crying cause she knew he was gone to stay. 10:35 on a lonely Friday night, she was sitting at the bar and baby she was looking alright. I asked her if she wanted to dance and she said that all she wanted was a good man and wanted to know if I thought I was qualified. I said, baby, don't waste your time. I know what's on your mind. I might qualified for a one-night stand, but I could never take the place of your man. It felt bad when she told me with tears in her eyes he was all she ever had, and now she wanted to die. Left her with a baby and another one on the way. She couldn't stop crying cause she knew he was gone to stay. She asked me if we could be friends, and I said that, oh honey, baby, it's a dead end, you know, and I know that we wouldn't be satisfied. I said, baby, don't waste your time. And I know what's on your mind. I might be qualified for a one-night stand, but I could never take the place of your man. Something like that.